Hi kids! Do you want to save big on your Mountain Creek Season Pass? Of course you do! Well, now you can thanks to the High Five 5-pack. Just get 4 of your friends and buy your all-access passes together and you'll save a ton o' money. Check out these groovy 5-packers. Business Casual 5-pack. Enthusiastic Afrotastic 5-pack. Metrosexual 5-pack. Spicy 5-pack. Harmonica Quintet 5-pack. Farm Animal 5-pack not applicable. So what are you waiting for? Grab your buddies, visit mountaincreek.com, and get your High Five 5-pack today before you join a boy band and ruin your life.